High above the earth, a tapestry of colors unfolds. Emerald greens blend with earthy browns, a testament to the vibrant life pulsing below. This is Burkina Faso, a landlocked nation in West Africa, often overlooked but brimming with untold stories. Known as the land of upright people, Burkina Faso welcomes travelers with warmth and open arms. Its beauty, though subtle, resonates deeply, captivating the soul with its simplicity and authenticity. Forget towering skyscrapers and bustling metropolises. Here, the land dictates the rhythm of life. Rolling plains stretch as far as the eye can see, punctuated by baobab trees standing like ancient guardians. The sky, vast and endless, becomes a canvas for breathtaking sunrises and sunsets, painting the landscape in hues of gold and crimson. It is a sight that evokes a sense of timelessness, a reminder of the enduring power of nature. The Sindou Peaks, rising dramatically from the earth, are a sight to behold. These majestic rock formations, sculpted by centuries of wind and erosion, resemble ancient castles reaching for the heavens. The peaks offer a glimpse into the raw, untamed beauty of Burkina Faso, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. Waterfalls cascade down rocky outcrops, their melodies echoing through the surrounding forests. The Cascades de Karfiguéla, with their tiered pools and lush vegetation, provide a sanctuary from the heat. These natural wonders, scattered across the landscape, are a testament to the country's diverse ecosystems, each with its own unique charm. The air thrums with the beat of drums, a rhythmic pulse that echoes the heartbeat of Burkina Faso. Music is not merely entertainment here, it's a way of life, woven into the fabric of society. Traditional dances, vibrant and energetic, tell stories of love, loss and celebration passed down through generations. Festivals, bursting with color and energy, punctuate the year, bringing communities together. The FESPACO, Africa's largest film festival, transforms Ouagadougou, the capital city, into a hub of creativity and cultural exchange. These celebrations offer a glimpse into the soul of Burkina Faso, a country that embraces joy and community. Life in Burkina Faso is unhurried, a stark contrast to the fast-paced world outside its borders. In villages, time-honored traditions endure. Craftsmen skillfully weave colorful fabrics, their hands moving with practiced ease, creating intricate patterns that have adorned generations. Farmers tend to their land, their connection to the earth palpable, a testament to their resilience and deep-rooted traditions. The warmth of the people is infectious. Smiles come easily and greetings are heartfelt. Despite facing challenges, the people of Burkina Faso radiate a quiet strength and an unwavering spirit of resilience. It is this spirit, this unwavering belief in the power of community and the beauty of simplicity that makes Burkina Faso truly special, a destination that stays with you long after you've left its shores.